Since 1978, when rotor combines were first built, farmers have been faced with the problem of rotor loss in rotor combines.
In the crop to elevator 50 miles away last year, and after our first load, the elevator manager said he didn't even need to inspect our loads. There were just virtually no pods in the sample compared to the other trucks were just full of pods, which is a problem here in South Texas. Well, it saved us time and money by increasing the ground speed, which reduces our days of harvest, and it's saving us money by not wasting crop on the ground and getting it all in the bin. I would recommend the Concaves to other farmers based on the better grain sample we were able to get by running a lot lower rotor speed, which improves your grain quality, and also the amount of crop you're harvesting by cutting the losses to virtually zero.
3 years ago, we always had problems with the STS combines with rotor loss and cracked grain. When we go to sweep the grain bins in the wintertime, we always had a bunch of dust on the floor where we found a lot of cracked grain. Found out about the RPR system when it first came onto the market through a local guy that had one of the first sets. Put them in, we immediately noticed a lot less cracked grain. We were running two identical machines side by side, one with the factory round bars, one with the RPR system. One of the RPR system was cutting 3/4 mile an hour faster with less on the ground, plus a 2-pound heavier bushel weight at the elevators. Went on to start my own business. Now I'm a dealer selling the Concaves. I work on over 30 combines a year. Probably 25 of the guys go from milo to corn, 3 to 4 times a year, switching back and forth. Typically starting down here, some farmers start out in wheat, then they'll go to corn or milo, and then milo to corn, back and forth. Then they'll finish out the year cutting soybeans. Doing all that, those 4 crops, you typically have to have 3 sets of Concaves to get it all done. Therefore, you got to change them all out 3 to 4 times a year. You can put the RPR system in, run 1 set of Concaves, and don't have to pull them 3 times a year. And being the Concave weighs 100 pounds, that's a lot of back-breaking work 3 times a year to switch around, whereas the RPR, you put a 3 to 4 pound cover plate on, change the machine over in 10 minutes, and you're back cutting in the next crop. Saves a lot of back-breaking work.
And soybeans.
Today we're running a 9120 with the 40-foot McDon header in 100 bushel milo, and we are able to run 5+ miles an hour in the standing milo, but due to Tropical Storm Bill, we had a lot of milo laid flat on the ground, and we're still able to run up to 3 miles an hour, picking it up off the ground.